Get down. Pussy, pussy hopping. Get down. Pussy, pussy hopping. Get down. Pussy, pussy hopping. Get down. Pussy hopping on a handstand.
Thanks for tuning into NPR's Feminist Crime Hour. Pussy popping.
Each week, NPR goes Ratchet to boost relevancy and appeal to intellectual millennials who turn.
I'm Dr. Chartreuse Jenkins-Jones, chair of Stanford's World Music Department, and now a skeetologist.
And I'm Nalisha Cummings Al-Sharif, author of A History of Women in Rap, entitled Wiping Semen Off the Glass Ceiling.
NPR decided we're the two most qualified people to host this show.
Pussy Poppin is sponsored by FUBU. FUBU, keeping you ratchet in 1994 and apparently never again after.
Interesting fact, in the 5 years that this show has existed, no NPR user has ever used the FUBU coupon code.
I'd like to start the hour by revisiting the feminist classic, Riskay's Smell Your Dick. Let's
might not sound like a feminist song, however, it truly is.
Yes, the concept of female empowerment through the smelling of male genitalia has roots in Steinem.
When this song was released, male feminist rapper Pimp Butt was #1 on the charts with his single, My Dick Is Deep in Your Nose, Ho.
So in order to be #1, a woman had to out-dick a nose-deep dick? That's a lot of dick to out-dick.
Indeed. Because of misogyny, women rarely get respect in society. I said it, I can't believe I said it.
Oh,
Wow.
you know what? I'd like to take a look at poetic expression of feminism with this song, Clit Booty's Dick Too Deep.
Bitch, I go deep in you. You gon' die from this rod. I'm gonna murder that pussy, kill you. You be seeing God.
Yes. Okay, yes. You might not think it, but the lyric, I get so deep in you, you gon' die from this rod, is influenced by Bell Hooks' poetic brand of feminism.
It's so refreshing to hear a song about a long penis killing a woman.
Yes, indeed. You know, women face so much violence at the hands of men. It's so refreshing to hear a song about dick murder as opposed to non-dick murder.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at Portia Potty's I'ma put my slit on your daddy's forehead. Is this feminist or not, Chartreuse?
I'ma put the slit on your daddy's forehead. Put this pussy all in his face. Your whole family gonna get a taste of this gushy gush below my waist.
You know, as women, we don't often have control over our bodies.
Yes, so for a woman to take ownership of her parts and use them for clitoral nepotism, that's feminist.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Absolutely.
100%.
Oh, for sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Well, why don't we go ahead and analyze Fuckboy G's newest single, Splits on a Dick.
My dick is like a fire hose, skeeting down them sidewalls. Do the splits on my dick, then I'll smack you with my balls.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna have to call a feminist expert on this one. Listeners, we have on the line the artist, Fuckboy G.
What up, hoes?
Welcome to remain flexible within the patriarchy, yes?
No, it was literally about a bitch doing splits. On my dick.
And the lyric, my dick is like a fire hose. Was that an attempt to put out the fire of oppressing women with your seed?
No, I just like coming on bitches' faces.
Sure. Absolutely. But the lyric, skeeting down them sidewalls, are told splaying ejaculates on a woman's uterine wall to bring life in this desolate world, yes?
Yes?
No, I just like raw dog.
Enlightening. Well, thank you so much for joining us, fuckboy.
Despite Fuckboy G's insistence otherwise, I think that song is a pretty feminist song.
I'm gonna have to agree. Any song involving women or vaginas, regardless of blatant misogyny, is feminist.
I told you not to come in me.
Feminist.
Fuck her till she shuts up.
Feminist.
I hate bitches, I just want to fuck.
I'm gonna say that's feminist. Well, that's it for now.
All right, thank you so much, listeners. Join us next week at the Toni Morrison Festival, where we will be dissecting Wayne Anus's newest single, Titty Fucked at Church.
And we'll take a look at DJ Click Booty's Dick You Down. Thanks again to our sponsors, FUBU, and please remember to use the coupon code UPTOASS, all one word.
All right, thanks again, listeners. I'm on my way to a symposium about Caribbean musical influences in EDM.
Oh, that sounds exciting. And I'm just off to get some thick dick.
Sure.